Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Uncharted 4 game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can enable or disable subtitles within your gameplay. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Uncharted 4 game on your device, and after choosing your game, you will be taken into the main menu. From here, click on Options and then click on Game. This will now show you various different gameplay options that you can change. If you wish to disable subtitles, then you may simply disable it from the subtitle menu by using the left and right arrow to turn it off. When you do this and go back, the subtitle will now be disabled from your gameplay. If you wish to turn it back once again, you may come back to the same menu and then turn your subtitle on once again. Now, if you don't find the subtitle options within the gameplay, then you will also find it within accessibility. From here as well, you can enable or disable subtitles. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to enable or disable subtitles within the Uncharted 4 game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.